Hey, what is up guys? This is the ball player, and today I'm doing something a little different. I am gonna try and solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can, but I'm gonna mess this up real quick, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Mixed up the cube pretty well, and I'm gonna take a sit right here. I'll start going right about now. Alright, a little slow start here. I am somewhat new to this, so if I suck, just don't yell at me, please. Alright. Alright, there's all the sides done. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's going away from games, but I think it's good to do a regular video every once in a while. So if you did enjoy, please hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions or just want to yell at me or something, just do it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.